When will the trading porn start? I don't know. I'm still recovering. We literally just had a trade. I was actually planning on keeping it open for the stream, but we pretty much got to our TP, so I just closed. We faded the pump on AVAX in the Discord. Those are quickly becoming some of my favorite plays. You see a news event, you watch price pump, and then as price is pumping, you're making an assessment. How substantial, or even how substantiated, is this news? Is this a fake news pump, as Donald Trump would say? Like, what merit is there to this news? So you're kind of making a judgment call. That's not something, I'm not an expert on it at all. But like for AVAX, let's say, I'll get into the charts in a second. I'll show you what way I played it. But basically, I think it was, and I'm open to correction on this, I might have gotten things incredibly wrong. I might have gotten very lucky. But I believe there was something to do with Amazon partnering with a crypto exchange, or with a cryptocurrency, possibly for payments. I'm actually not even sure. I read the headline very quickly. Then there was speculation that it was AVAX, and it started pumping. But I think that was highly speculative. It wasn't like confirmed or anything. And then I saw a lot of smart guys who I follow in the space saying this is bogus news. It's not AVAX. It can't be AVAX. And they gave some smart guy reasons for it. Too smart for me to understand. You know, it all went over my head. But the net point was AVAX is pumping on news that's probably unsubstantiated. It might give a good entry for a short. So that was how I was playing it. I was just monitoring the M1. And yeah, we pretty much caught the top and got out close to the bottom of this current move. So yeah, happy with that. That was all shared in real time. So yeah, enjoying those types of plays, because I think they're obviously risky, but if you catch them right, it's just a very comfy trade. US just opened. Yeah, let's get into the stream, or let's get into the charts immediately. We'll look at US Open. So US opened a little bit green, nothing major. But it's always useful to pay attention to which way, what price does after US Open on a weekend. So let's see what it does. I think we've been having a lot of fun watching BTC PA after US Open the last few streams, because of how janky and hard to predict it is. Typically it's disgusting PA. It's not anything you want to trade. Unless you get just a very obvious fake out in one direction. Look at this absolute garbage, like. Man, it's just, since we got that strong move down on Friday, it's just been chop, 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 chop. I would love to see a sweep of these lows and get long. That's like one of the only plays I can really stomach right now. Volatility kill, but crazy OI buildup. Yeah, I think we're going to get a very strong move. But as I said, I'm not expecting... If we get a mad spike to the buy side or to the sell side, I would be surprised to see something like that. To be honest, I think it's far more likely that we run stops in one direction and then the market picks a more conclusive resolution to this range. So we're keeping an eye on Ren. There's no short here yet, and I don't even think. I mean, yeah, I'll tell you what. I'd like to see that first before any shorts. I'd like to see that. You know? Something like that. Ooh, those are some juicy lows. Can anyone tell me why this has a vid? Yeah. That's... Oh, I was charting this before. That's a scary alt to be shorting, in my opinion. It's a scary alt to be shorting. Tell you what I'd like to do is long that. I wonder, is there a swing trade here? Oh, there is. Oh, there's 100% a swing trade here. Yeah, this it's like in my opinion, that's like a high probability play. Yeah, I like that so much. I'll probably just take it. I mean, might never get an entry, but oh, beautiful entry right on 9.5. It's all very pretty there. God. Oh, look at this. Sand doing exactly what I said it would do. That's why this is such a good setup. Seriously, journal this. Big pump, consolidation, wait for the range low deviation, long the retest, and you're targeting liquidity at the high. Beyond high probability. Kind of looks like we get the same thing. Was someone saying that it looks like, what's the asset that just pumped? It looks like sand. Not quite as clean. Said it looks longable. Well, it does look like sand. Look at what sand just did. Look at sand. Now look at LDO. LDO is about an hour behind. I don't know. Where do we get in on this? I think I'm also... It's basically one of those trades where you just have to chart BTC and hope that everything works out. Yeah, this is cool. It's like a 3-drive almost. Breaking structure. Liquidity here. I don't know. I'll set an alarm. I would like to get long. I'd like to get long LDO. I think that looks longable. But we'll see. LDO M5. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, exactly. Yo, Creatine King, that's an awesome observation. The range might not even be established yet. You know what? I like that. I actually like that way better than... That gives me a little bit of a cleaner read than what I was looking at. Good eye. So I think if we come down here, we're basically looking for this. That's what we're looking for. Something like that. So let's see if we get it. Let's get that LDO long. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I think it looks good. I way prefer your idea than what I was trying to do. I was trying to force something. This makes more sense as a range. And let's look for a deviation below, acceptance back in, breaking structure, long the FVG or the retest of the range low, whatever you want to call it, and look for the highs. I think that looks way better. And you're right, if you compare that to sand, that's exactly what we got with sand back here. In fact, it's even the same highs, right? It's super similar. So if LDO does what... If sand does what LDO does... Sorry, if LDO does what sand did, we will hopefully get something like that. Oh, LDO is going down. This is it, boys. It's gonna happen. Why would you not long the FEG below but wait for the reclaim of the range? Because... you mean this. So the thing is, because it could just dump. At least the reclaim of the range shows that buyers are stepping in, and it's not just a dump of this move up. It's not just a full retrace. You always want to wait for price to tell you where it's going to go. So for me, if I long down here, it can definitely bounce, but that's risky. Whereas at least if I wait until price is accepted back inside the range and start putting in candles here, that's less risky because to me that shows that it wants higher. Do we just fade this? Man, I'm so tempted. I think the higher probability fade is to fade up here. Yeah, no fade just yet. This is a fade. I'm like, I don't know, reasonably confident. Reasonably, probably too confident. Ren dying? Yeah. Oh no, okay, now it's done. Yeah, now we're done. Tapped into that M5 FEG. Time to remove bids. If this bounces here, yeah, let me quickly remove bids. Like very quickly. Yeah, right idea. I guess just unfortunate we didn't get in, huh? Just a bit unfortunate. Just didn't give us anything. Sand deviated 10 minutes ago. What does that sentence mean? Sand swept the high. Yeah, there you go. It's not a deviation though. That would have been a TP. So there's some alpha here. 100% there is alpha. When you get a strong move like this, and then you get price just chilling, you want to wait for the range to be established. Look for the deviation. look for the break back inside the range, and you're looking along the retest. And you're targeting liquidity. Yes, unfortunately we came to this trade too late. We came to this trade and price had already done that. But that's why we're looking to get involved on LDO. We're just shifting goalposts here. We're a bunch of goalpost shifters on this stream, but fingers crossed we can get something like this. LDO is doing the thing. I like it. We might even look to DGen Long down here. Let's see. Let's see what the alarm gives us. LDO sinking. Come on. LDO just crossed. Okay. Oh wow, that's a big drop. Still not in LDO. Oh goodness. That's so disgusting on Ocean, man. Oh, price went to my level. I just didn't fill any in my position. So tilting, man. I hope Ocean bounces back just to spite anyone who got in on this on this short. Very tilting. I think we just maybe focus on LDO. Can we get some long action on LDO? Okay. LDO is doing the thing. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. It's not really a swing high, but it'll work for this purpose. LDO's gonna fill M5MG and tap back to the entry you're looking for. Yeah. Hopefully. Okay, we're longing. We're going along. That's messy, but I think you get the idea. I'm targeting something like that. You can go way tighter with the stop. You know what? We might even just go tight with the stop and just do a soft stop. So like go way low risk. If you're entering this, go way low risk. I want to be able to stay in the trade if it comes down here. Okay, we are filled. Soft stop on this one. But if we start accepting down below here, I'll close. Time to bounce. Time to bounce. Probably gonna be famous last words. Me getting excited about a bounce that comes to nothing. I like LDO, but BTC might cook it. That looks good there. Okay, LDO moving. Love to see it. Nice bounce. Let's see if there's any follow through. Copy traders rise. This is just an example of where the stop is. I'm actually running a... Well, actually, now that we've had a move up, I'm probably going to be much scabbier with my stop. Don't you think it could run all the buy side liquidity around 2.7? Yes. Yes, it could. Come on. Give me some movement here. Movement in the upside direction. Oh... Not really the reaction I wanted. So weird and janky, man. I feel less confident longing here than I do shorting. Probably just gonna get stopped out here. Probably gonna get stopped out on everything. Come on, bulls. Do something. Do something, bulls. It's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good, bruv. Oh, these trades are stressful. Who likes stressful trades? Not me. Okay, we don't want to get wicked out, but this is our stop. Come on, LDO. Is that what we're trading here? LDO, yeah. What is this? Like, what is this actually doing? I don't know, man. I feel like I have to stay in the trade because the setup is good, but the reaction is just so paltry. LDO is gonna screw us over. I can feel it. I can feel it in my loins. Fortunately, we're reliant on this coin to do something. And this just looks ugly. Looks like it's not doing anything. Long to LDO yesterday, you got messed up. Yeah. Look at that. It's do or die. Do or die. Apes will deploy plunge protection. I think Apes will look to stop me out more likely than that. Okay, we're very close to now where I would just like to exit the trade, so might just look to exit everything. We're underwater. We're actually just above water now. Wow. We're flirting. We're flirting with the water. Disappointing, LDO. Disappointing, LDO. Wouldn't be surprised if a green dildo either. Yeah, I'm the same, man. Painful trade. It really is. I think it's one of those ones where we just probably just yeet. It's a good buyback. Christ. Summon the hopium. Might be worth letting it play out. Yeah, it's not a big position. Like even if it ran this low down here, I'd only get stopped out for $210. So yeah. This is exactly what you want to see as well after this move up. Low momentum retrace, catch a bid. What a disappointing trade. To be honest, probably just let this one run out and hard stop down here. Let's see if we get taken. Thank you, Turk. Looking out for me. Like, not feeling very confident in the trade. BTC looks like garbage. I don't think we're going to get anything too exciting on stream, unfortunately. Okay, I've been streaming for nearly 4 hours, so I'm going to call it there, guys. BTC dipping, yes, BTC looks absolutely terrible. My invalidation for this trade, for anyone who's following along at home, I know I actually said I would cut it if it came down here, which I should probably do now. The safe bet is to cut it now. But just because I actually positioned, I sized it a little bit smaller than I intended, which is fine. But it means I have a little bit more room for invalidation, so I'll probably just play this wick. Probably play this wick. Cause like the idea itself is still good. I still like this pattern where you get a massive pump, you get a low momentum consolidation, slight retrace, then you get another pump to take the high. So we'll see. If maybe this is gonna be one of those clips where I say it's not looking too hot, but let's see what we get, and then the next screen is the successful trade. All right, guys. Yeah, feast your eyes on the ugliest trade I've taken in a while. For some reason, pretty setup, just not a nice trade, unfortunately. I just saw LDO start popping. Okay, all right, we're back in for a second. LDO started popping again. If LDO gets back into profit, we stay on stream. How about that? If LDO goes back in profit, then we're back to having a good time. Oh, wait a second. What's that? Can anyone hear that sound? What was that? It's the sound of a trade that is almost at break even. Oh, wait. The trade is in profit. Man, get out now at break even. We should, shouldn't we? We'll see. Nah, I'm not exiting break even. Not doubting that, but look at this absolute trash. What's going on? What's going on, LDO? Anyway, now I'm definitely LDO. Yeah, LDO looks awful. LDO does look terrible. Nothing more sus than that LDO trade though. So we'll see. Possible update to come on Twitter. Hopefully it's a positive one. More likely though, it'll be a negative one. Today was just, man, lots of weird PA. Nothing on BTC. Alts were being alts. And liquidity was my enemy. So yeah, take it easy, guys. Have a great rest of your Monday. I'll catch you back here tomorrow, 2 p.m. I'm streaming 4 times this week. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So we're back tomorrow for the second stream of the week. And hopefully see you here. Until then, take it easy, guys. Have a good Monday. I'll catch you around. Bye-bye. Or should I say, you know, my boy. That's what the youngins say, right? I thought I was having a stroke there when I pronounced that. Toronto Road, man. I don't know what a Toronto roadman is, but it sounds like a interesting vocation. From Montreal. I wish I was from Montreal. Then my French would be better. So I can only offer you my apologies, my sincere apologies, and I'll do an extra gulp just for you. Sorry, that sounded very wrong. Dirty minds. You're 69% bullish. That's the right percentage bullishness. Why are we trading this nonsense? Let it play out and see what we get. What are my thoughts on money? My thoughts on money is I will have none left if I keep trying to long LDO. ICT was on Epstein's flight logs.